everyone, it's Coach Julio. I'm going to go over a couple of hip exercises. You can't have the new school without the old school, so I need to go over a basic bridge up. And I'm just going to go over the setup, then I'll go over a different variation. So in old school bridge up, your setup, your distance between your feet is about the size of your shoe, of your foot, give or take. Where I never want you to feel this is your hamstring. I pinch my shoulder blades, my palms are up for me, and then I drive my hips up, 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 up. Exhale, what I want you to see is my knee, my hip, my shoulder is one straight line. That's the movement, I squeeze my glutes. You drop down, up, 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 up. My hip, my knee, and my shoulder is one straight line. So variation 2, we do a single leg bridge up. I end up doing my right, up, 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 up. Let me show you this leg. You always want to add unilateral exercises to your bilateral double-legged exercises. This is to help with the muscle imbalances, plus it's fun. So let's show you another variation of a hip exercise. This is more new school. It's a hip thrust. There's no thrusting in this one. I'm a little too old for that, but you can add it to it. So you want your mid-back to be pressing against or leaning against a box or a bench. You want it to move as one unit so you don't strain your neck. So the way I teach it is cross your arms. I'm here, my mid-back is touching the bench. I drop, I'm looking straight, and then I drive my hips up, and I look up so I move as one unit. My knee, my hip, and my shoulder is one straight line. I inhale, and by the way, my feet are hip width apart. Exhale. You should notice my head is moving with my body. You need a little bit more support. I'm down. Notice my hands are going with my hips. So in the future, you can actually have a barbell on top of your hips. You can have a dumbbell. So level 1, just to teach you how to push off your mid-back. Your glutes is doing the work, but that's just the fulcrum. And then level 2, make it so you can start adding weights. And I'm up. And this wouldn't be a Julio exercise if I don't do a single leg. So here I go, up, 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 up. Add single legs. But you want to get as low, don't touch the floor. Up, 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 and down. Stop if you feel your lower back or your neck. And if you don't feel either, keep going. It's a great exercise. Thank you.